Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the viral 3D Instagram carousel post using Canva. This effect is super eye-catching, perfect for making your feed look professional, stylish, and of course viral. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Instagram app and then find any post layout, frames, and caption styles that you want to turn into your 3D carousel designs. For example, I'm going to use this layout right here, this one on here, and then next just take a clean screenshot like this, and then just crop this screenshot neatly so that only the frames is visible, just like this. Just like this, and then just safety cropped. And then next just open Canva, just choose the Instagram post canvas. In this tutorial, I'll be using the standard pose like this. And then next, just upload the two photos that you want to include into your 3D designs. Like this. And then now just place one image at the top of your canvas and the second image at the bottom, just like this. Like this. And then now just import the screenshot that you cropped earlier. Place it exactly in between your photos like this. If the frames overlaps a little bit, that's totally fine. That's actually what we want for 3D effect later. And then next just select your first original photos and then just duplicate it and then just remove the background. And then just repeat the same process with your second photo. Okay, like this. And just like that, your subject pops out from the screenshot frame, creating a clean, realistic 3D carousel effect. And once you're happy with the everything, just tap on download this one. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? No advanced editing skills needed, just a little creativity and Canva magic. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.